Hi friends, welcome to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you how I water over 100 mums. So this year, we decided to go big with the mums, and we got a lot of them, at least 120 mums, and these are the mums that we still have in our field. We've sold a lot of them already. I have created a video before on how I used to water my mums. Well, unfortunately, the idea of putting water in a tub and letting the mums absorb the water from the bottom of the pot is kind of hard to do when you have a lot of mums. So this is a new thing that I did this year. I hooked up the potted mums to my drip irrigation. But the irrigation setup is a little bit different because the mums are in a pot. So it's not the same dripper that I am using. Right here, I'll show you the connection between the half-inch tubing and the water hose. So this green water hose is connected to a water outlet behind my house, and then I connected that in here, and then we have half-inch tubing here, and then my distribution lines are also half-inch tubing. The cool stuff about this is that there are connections with drippers called the spiders. So this is a spider. It has 4 smaller lines, and this is the end of that spider. This can be connected to one pot. So I've sold the one that's connected to this end, so I just leave this on the ground. Plus we had rain this past 3 days. So here you can see this tube, and it's attached to this pot. The water drips out of here in this the black tip. That's where the water comes out, and you just stick this on the side of the pot, in the inner part. Look at these beautiful flowers, guys. And I water this for at least 30 minutes a day, depending on how dry the potting soil is. Now, if it's very hot during the day, usually it dries out super duper quick. I have to water these mums twice a day. I water them in the morning and I water them in the afternoon. But if you make a setup like this, you have to make sure that the tubes and the water hose are already cool in the afternoon, because you don't want to water your mums whenever the tubing and the water hose are still hot from the sunlight, because then that's going to ruin your plants. Mums love water. They don't like standing water though. When it rains, like we had a lot of rain, at least 5 inches of rain that we just had this past 3 days, and it looks like it's fixing to rain again. So usually when it rains, I don't water my mums. Now, one way to check is you can just kind of lift the pot. If it feels heavy, it means that you don't need to water it because the potting soil is wet. I'm just gonna walk in here, guys, and show you the different colors, different varieties of mums that we have. And you can see that we have a lot of empty spots already. Look at that purple one. That's really beautiful. We have yellow. These ones are white, I believe. But it looks like, okay, so it's white, but the buds are yellow, but when they open, it's white. And then we have this, I don't know, red, bronze color, orange. Oh, look at this violet. very nice. And then we have a different kind of yellow mums right here. It's already full. We have mums in 3 different stages right here, or maybe 4 different stages of flowering. So we'll have them for longer period of times. Now this one is pink. It has some hints of yellow, which is pretty cool. These ones, they're just getting ready to open, so this should last for a while. If you see some leaves on your plant, just make sure to remove them. And if you see some dying flowers like this, or something that got damaged, just remove the damaged flowers as well. If you see some flowers that are turning brown, remove them as well. Like this one right here, you see an empty spot here in the middle. I removed the dead flowers in this spot. There's still more, but this is fine. This will recover. If your plants look like this, you just have to make sure you deadhead them. Make sure that your plants get enough water as well. So guys, that's my new tip for watering for you if you have so many mums in your yard, or if you are growing lots of mums and you don't have the time to individually water them manually. This is one way to do it. Use an irrigation line. Use this spiders, the distribution lines, and your potted mums will look as beautiful as what we have in this field. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day.